Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the address bar, type in character.ai and click on Enter. You'll be directed to the official homepage of Character AI. Now, on the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see a profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From this, select Logout option. As you can see that I have been logged out from my account. To log back in, you can simply click on these options. So that is how you can log out in Character AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.